Hey guys, Nathan is about to open his birthday presents. Ali, let's open it. Say cuckoo. Say cuckoo now. Say hello. So Lila cannot open it from there, so this is for 6 to 9 years. We got this at Decathlon. You need help, puppy?
Yes.
Oh, this is what it's looking like.
Mommy.
This one. Well, can you remove the carton? Wow, this is beautiful. Take a look at that. Nathan got his scooter for his birthday. This is the second time Nathan is getting a scooter. The first time was for his 2 years birthday.
And Harmony
broke that one. So now
she wanted to climb it. So
she was sitting down on it. So now you got another one. Are you excited? Are you excited, Papi?
Yes.
So what do you say to Daddy and Mommy?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
Okay now.
Easy.
I just have to wait. You have to let.
Let it come. The black side.
Voila. Just have to put it inside like that. I don't want to do everything by himself. It's the independence. Wow, look at Nathan's scooter. Okay, look at that, guys. This is cute. We have to adjust it because it's too small for Nathan. Nathan is a tall boy. Nathan is tall for his age. So I think it's good this way. Let's bring it out a little. It's good like this. Come on, try that.
Voilà.